This is our prayer, Lord. Lord, whatever you're doing, close your eyes. Mondo robo shandarabayande. Ila mandarabashi andarabayondo. Yeah, Lord. Shall we lift up our hands? Whatever, Lord. Oh God. Oh God. That we may see and discern. That we may see and discern. Whatever. Can it be our prayer? Whatever, Lord. Yes, whatever, Lord. I feel the Holy Ghost. I feel the power. I feel my God is here. God of our fathers. Yeah! Let's make our prayer. Whatever. I hear the sound of oh God. If you healing, refuse the spirit of condemnation to rob you this moment. The Lord is merciful and gracious. Don't allow the spirit of condemnation to rob your Kairos moment.